All right, this video is going to show you how to quickly epoxy a GoPro attachment to the front of your surfboard. First, you got to get your epoxy. That's a GoPro attachment there, and that's where we're going to put it. And it's going to go right on there. This is your Gorilla epoxy, as you can see, and it works really fast. What you got to do is get the cap off of it, of course, and we're going to put it all over both sides of that. But first, we got to take the cap off. And it's really stuck on there, so I gotta pull it, and it'll come off. Geez, this thing's tight. You know, it's epoxy. What do you expect, I guess, right? So, all right, let's see. Let me try. Okay, got it. Right now, what I've got to do is I gotta squirt out equal parts on both sides, and of course, it's not coming out. All right, I gotta use both hands. I gotta use my grip here. Squeeze, squeeze. Oh, there we go. Now it's coming out. You gotta squeeze out enough. Equal parts, and then that's it. Now you got to put your cap back on, which can be a sticky situation. Be careful not to get it on your fingers. That's the last thing you want, is that stuff all over your fingers, because it makes a huge mess. All right, push the cap down, bam, done. Now what we've got to do is we've got to stir it for 15 seconds and get it all mushed together. So what I use is like a plastic spoon or you know, something that you can use later to scoop it up, because we got to apply it also to the surface area where we're going to put it. So we're going to go ahead and stir it for 15 seconds. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 seconds, I meant, not 15. And then we're going to liberally apply it to the surface where we want epoxy. So I'm going to scrape it all up and put it on there. And as you can see, I'm just kind of smearing it all over that soft surface that I'm going to apply the GoPro attachment. I want to get it all on there and make sure I liberally apply it. I don't want to get it all over the surfboard, but I want to get it all over where I want to epoxy that on there. And then I'm going to pick her up and I'm going to set it right on there. But first I'm going to get a little bit of this leftover epoxy off of here. Don't want to waste any. And we're going to go ahead and put her on there. Now you got to try to get it on there straight. So I'm going to set her right down and kind of push it down a little bit. And you notice my surfboard's up a little bit. So what I got to do is I got to readjust and put something behind the surfboard to get it so that it lays flat and it won't slide down as it's drying. So that's what I'm going to do is I'm going to prop a couple things underneath the surfboard, and that way we'll keep that thing right where it's supposed to be. You could also put a clamp or something on it, but I don't have a big clamp, so we'll just hopefully it'll adhere properly to that. So okay, I brought the surfboard down so it's more level, making sure it's nice and straight. Got it on there. Want to keep it so that you got a good view with your camera, so you want to make sure it's straight by going to the back of the board and looking forward. And now we just got to wait 30 minutes and it should be done. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos on kiteboarding, surfing, and just about anything you can think of. All right, see you next one. Bye.